Right fellas, welcome back. So, I'm going to get cracking on the inside of the van. So, plan of attack for today is carpets, get it all stuck in on the fronts and the sides, get the rear section in, and then I can start tackling the wiring. So, I'm going to stick a new blade in my Stanley knife, and let's get cracking. So, cue the montage. Right boys, little progress update. So I've just cut the holes in this section here. Now I'm fitting these first because what my thinking is I can use those as a hole to pull that top section tight and then back down, as opposed to trying to hold it all like this. So yeah, my thoughts are have them in place, pull it tight down the back and then stick it, and obviously it'll all be lovely. And obviously it gives me the opportunity as well to make sure that all these screws are lined up along the front as well, and obviously trim this bit here and make sure that I'm not going to have any gaps when obviously the front section of the carpet and the rear section of the carpet get laid. So yeah, I'm just taking my time with it. So I'm going to jump over to the other side, repeat the process, and then hopefully get this stuck down. And then what else do we need to do? Stick that rear quarter in. I've done the up in the toe board. Excuse that gap there. I've got a lot of electronic sensors going on up there, so that's best to just stay out of the way. So this is awkward trying to film a YouTube video doing this, so I hope you appreciate it. Right lads, and there you have it, all fitted, ready to go. I wasn't going to put the front piece in because I've got to connect that ECU up, but I thought I'll just get it in, see what it looks like. Give it a quick hoover as well because there was hairs all over it. Now, a couple of things about this new commercial carpet, and I shall flip the camera around and tell you the problems what I have had when fitting it. Right boys, so that's it, carpet's all in. What an absolute nightmare. If anyone says to you a new commercials carpet literally just falls into place, it's lying to you, because every single piece of that carpet that I've put in I've had to cut and mess around with. And to be perfectly honest with you, I fitted a Huddersfield Mini Spares carpet to my Blue Mini, and that was literally just a case of stick it in place, put the carpets in, and I didn't have to do any adjustments or anything like that. So I'm actually pretty disappointed with the new commercials carpet, to be perfectly honest with you. Particularly the back section, I had to cut it all around the battery box, all around the upstand, which props the low bed up. Literally an absolute nuisance. So yeah, if anyone's thinking of getting new commercials carpet for that reason, that they just throw them in and you don't have to worry about it, then don't. But overall, I'm happy with the carpet, how it's turned out now. Happy with the kind of the finish of the carpet as well. It was just the installation bit that I was most annoyed about. So I'm going to leave that one here for today, and then I think what I'm going to do now is get the seats in and then start getting most of the interior back in. I need to fit the centre binnacle as well and get all that connected up, fit the dash pads, and also I need to do my heater matrix as well. The reason I've left my heater matrix off so long is I can actually use my interior seats to actually sit in the car while I do it, which will make my life easier rather than trying to struggle climbing in on the floor. So there's a method in my madness as to why I'm doing things the way I'm doing it, and it's just to make my life as easy as possible. So, as always guys, thank you very much for watching, and I shall catch you next time, which will be next Sunday, and I'm going to start getting the interior in next weekend. And then the van is going back to Mechanics to have that chip sorted as well, and then there's a couple of other bits on the van as well which just need a little bit of a polish, or a bit of attention here and there, just from where it's been getting built back up and stuff. So, and also they can get that windscreen in as well. So thanks for watching, catch you next time, and I shall see you next week.